Welcome back to AMD Tuition. In this video, I'm going to reveal some of the techniques that our students use in order to get top grades, and explain how you can also use these techniques. Make sure to watch until the end of the video, as all of these tips need to be utilized together in order for you to fully reap the rewards of it. So let's get started. Tip number 1, targeted practice. Comprehending the intricacies of a question is the cornerstone of success in any maths exam. It's vital to understand that struggling with a question doesn't reflect inadequacy, but rather signals an opportunity for further growth. To bridge this gap, commit yourself to consistent and focused practice. One invaluable resource for honing your skills is Corbett Maths' 5-a-day routine. This daily regime exposes you to a diverse range of problems, each carefully created to mirror the breadth of challenges you may encounter in the actual exam. It's not about sheer quantity, but about targeted, deliberate practice that hones your ability to dissect complex problems. To further amplify your preparation, have a go at using the official exam board resources, and check out the link in our video description to access this and the Corbett Maths 5-a-day. These materials often align closely with what you'll face in the actual exam. They provide invaluable context and insights into the types of questions that may appear, allowing you to fine-tune your skills in those specific areas. Embrace each practice session as an opportunity to refine your understanding, and you'll find yourself not only mastering the material, but also approaching the exam with newfound confidence and clarity. Tip number 2, how to avoid silly mistakes. Meticulous attention to detail is paramount. Start by immersing yourself in the question, ensuring every word is absorbed. Underline the key information. And remember that in problem solving, every single step counts. Double checking you're working out at each point might seem tedious, but is crucial if you want to significantly improve on your grade. And when you arrive at your final answer, don't stop there. Take a moment to reflect on its realism within the given context. Does it align with the known values and quantities in the question? Does it make logical sense? This critical assessment separates mere calculations from true problem solving. As well as a lack of confidence, overconfidence can also hinder a lot of students that have worked with our centre. Embrace the discomfort of learning and the humility it brings. Realize that even the best mathematicians are not immune to errors. By staying grounded and open to correction, your ability to produce accurate, reliable solutions significantly increases. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being precise. When you are faced with a challenging question, if it stumps you for too long, then make sure just to star the question and fold the corner of the page as a reminder to return to it at a later date with a fresh mind. Break down the complex questions into their simplest components. Tip number 3, diversify your mathematical skill set. Mastering maths is like going to the gym to build muscle. The more you train a muscle, the stronger it will get. And the more muscles you train, the stronger your body will get as a whole. And with maths, the more you engage with different questions, the better you become at recognizing patterns and strategies. This extensive practice not only hones your skills, but also builds the mental stamina needed to tackle even the most daunting of questions. Consider each exam question as a puzzle waiting to be solved. Take a moment to reflect on the wealth of knowledge you've accumulated through diligent study and practice. Everything on the exam paper has either been directly taught to you in class or practiced in your coursework. It's all within your grasp. Tip number 4, going back and redoing every single question. Once you've completed the entire paper, it's crucial to allocate time for a comprehensive review. This step is often underestimated but can make a significant difference in your final grade. So make sure that you're not that student with your exam paper closed without doing this final step. Many grade 9 students transition from scoring a grade 6 or a 7 to achieving a grade 9 by diligently checking their answers. Start by revisiting every question, even the ones you felt confident about initially. Carefully reevaluate your work and verify if each step is accurate. This meticulous process can uncover minor miscalculations or overlook details that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. Remember, this isn't about second-guessing yourself, but rather about ensuring precision and reinforcing your understanding. It's an opportunity to catch any potential errors and make any necessary adjustments. Head to our video description if you'd like to book in a free one-to-one lesson with us, or if you just want to keep on watching the regular content that we're putting out, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like it if you'd like to see a part 2 of this video. I'll catch you on the next one.